first step when setting up our gears is to connect the cable to the rear derailleur. We will feed the inner cable through the already fitted outer cable and then feed it into the rear derailleur and tighten. We will first start by pedaling the bike freely. If not using a work stand, this can be done by propping the rear drive wheel off the ground. However, as mentioned, we recommend using a bicycle work stand. We will adjust the gears down to the lowest setting so the chain sits on the smallest cog at the rear. Now check each cog by shifting the gears up and down nice and slowly. If the chain doesn't move up the cassette freely, it means our gear cable is too loose. We can fix this by increasing the cable tension on our barrel adjuster here. This is the opposite for shifting back down our gears. If we find the chain doesn't move down freely, we have too much tension. Backing off the tension with the barrel adjuster will allow the chain to drop down freely.